Welcome to our third topic and our topic numbers. In this topic, we'll be looking at indices and logarithms. So our first topic under indices and logarithm is how can we express numbers in index form? Let's say we have a number x raised to n. This just means x is multiplied n times. So it will be x times x times x times x up to x raised to n. So x is multiplied n times. So in this case, when you have x raised to n, we say that this number is written in index form, meaning x is our base, and then n is our index. So what is an index or indices in plural? So an index is a number that shows how many times a base is multiplied by itself. So what do I mean when I say an index? Is a number that shows how many times a base is multiplied by itself. Let's say we have x raised to 3. This means we'll be multiplying this x 3 times. So it will be x times x times x. When you have, let's say, a number a raised to 4, meaning a will be multiplied by itself 4 times, saying a times a times a times a. So these numbers, the way they are expressed, we are saying they are in index 4. So these 3, we can say 3 and 4, we can say they are index or they are indices. So we can say that 3 and 4 are our indices, or we can say powers, or sometimes they are called exponential or exponents. So in this case, 3 and 4 are our indices. So let's say you have number x raised to n. So this means x will be multiplied by itself n times. So to prove this one, it will be x1 times x2 times x3 times up to xn. So we find that our number x will be multiplied by itself n times. So this is just what it means. Let's say now you are given express 16 in index form. Express 16 in index form with base. Let's say express 16 in index form, but base to be 2. So this just means you ask yourself, how many times can 2 be multiplied by itself to get 16? And this one we can get the prime factors of 16. So 8, 4, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This means we are multiplying 2 4 times. Okay. That means we are multiplying 4 times 2 times. Now this one is the 16 expressed in index form. Our number 16 expressed in index form. Another example, let's say we have a number like 243. You are being told express 243 in index form with the base 3. With our base 3. This means we'll be expressing 243 as a product of these prime factors, where our prime factor here is 3. So let's just 43. 243 divided by, this one will be 81, divided by 3 will be 27, divided by 3 will be 9, 3, then 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times another 3. So we are just multiplying 3 5 times. So this is 243 expressed in index form. Let us look at another example. Let's say we have 512 expressed 512 as in index form. So sometimes they will not give you base of 3 as base of 2. So just because 512 is a prime number, we'll divide it with our smallest prime number, which is 2. So divide by 2 will be 256. Divide by 2. This one is very long. 128. Divide by 2. You'll get 64. Divide by 2 again, you'll get 32. Divide by 2, you'll get 16. Then now here is 8. Divide by 2, 4. Divide by 2, you'll get 2. Let me just continue here. 2. 2, 1. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9. This one is repeated. This part is, it is up here. So it is 9. So 512 is 2 raised to 9. So to get 512, you will multiply the base to 9 times by itself. 9 times. So this one is 512 expressed in index form. Let us look at our last example. You can pause the video and try it. Let's say we have 125 expressed in index form. So you know that this one, the prime factor, we can divide 125 with the prime factor 5. So divide by 5, we get 25. And then 25 divided by 5, 5. Then so you divide until you have 1 here. So this one is just 5 multiplied by itself thrice. So this one was that is our lesson on expressing numbers into index form.